Hi everyone, this is Austin Calabota from STEM&D, and for today's video, we're gonna talk about guidelines in writing the literature review. Guidelines in writing a literature review. So in writing a literature review, it has three distinct parts. We have literature search, evaluation and analysis of the articles, and then writing the literature review. Literature search has 7 steps. Number 1 is to review the documentation style, if it is APA, MLA, or Chicago. And number 2, we have choose the topic that you will explain. Below are some example of the topic that you will explain or that you might be explaining. So number 3, we have determine the kind and number of sources that you will be using. Will your literature review be exclusive to articles or will it include other documents? Will you focus on experimental studies or will you also include theoretical papers that explain a theory? And number 4, we have survey the available online database related to your topic or that is relevant to your topic. These include Prequest, Science Direct, JSTOR, or Google Scholar. As much as possible, include only references published by top journals or publishers. So number 5, we have use relevant keywords when searching for scholarly documents or articles. For example, if your topic is about impact of Facebook-based e-portfolios or the writing skill of ESL learners, your possible keywords are Facebook, ESL writing, e-portfolio, portfolio assessment, Facebook-based e-portfolio, and social networking sites, etc. Number 6, we have always include landmark studies or papers that are related to your topic. Studies which had remarkably changed the field. And number 7, we have always evaluate the sources for coverage and currency. Include only those that are related to your topic. Think of it, evaluate what are the coverage, and check the time and date of the article that you have read or searched. The second part is the evaluation and analysis of articles. Once you have identified and obtained the article for your review, analyze them before writing the actual literature review. So you may use the following steps. So first, we have skim the articles and read their abstract. Number 2 is to group the articles and other documents according to their category so that it will be easy for you. And the number 3 is to take down notes. Focus on the researcher questions, methodology used, major findings, and their explanations and conclusions. Number 4, we have summarize the details using a concept map. In this way, you will see the relationship, similarities, and differences of the articles. And the number 5 is to write a synthesis of the references you have read before writing the actual literature review. And lastly, number 6, we have create an outline. You may look for other literature review to serve as models for writing an outline. So the third part is the writing of the literature review. So once all the materials are ready and you have a clear outline of ideas that you want to express, you may now start the writing process. So first, we have state clearly your thesis or main argument and be guided by it accordingly. Number 2, if you say that no studies have been conducted on one aspect of your topic, justify it, explain why. Number 3, we have direct the readers to other related literature reviews that cover items which you do not intend to cover. You may use the citation format or follow the format prescribed by your chosen documentation style. And the number 4 is to never treat a literature review as a series of annotated bibliography because that's such a boring. That's too long and boring. Number 5, you have use headings and subheadings to classify the parts of your topic to be clear and very much more precise. The number 6 is to use effective transitions to make your review easier to read and understand. Number 7, we have the body of the literature review can be organized. It can be thematically, methodologically, or chronologically. And the number 8, we have use direct quotations sparingly. The last part of writing the literature review is to clarify important definitions. Always explain and let the readers understand you fully. So there you have it, guys. I hope you learned something and you did enjoy. See you next time. Bye!